All right, we're back out at the Arizona Electric Fest, the 2022 variety. We have the brand new XFly. I think this is called a J-65 or something like that. Anyway, in the event, we have the new XFly.
Down on the west end behind the Horizon Hobby
This
trailer,
is
we've got, I think we still have
powered by one 6S
Southern Arizona
battery.
Electric Club. They have hand-tossed wires to put together, so if you got any kids left that want to
It's a good-looking jet.
do that, I'm sure they'll help you put that together. Also, down in Vendor Row, if you haven't visited, the ASU Prep Poly High School robotics team is here. They've got snacks and drinks, and they've got their rollout on display, so you can go check them out. And they're getting ready for competition here in March, so every little donation helps with them.
Nice-looking jet, graceful.
Again, thanks for coming out today. Big thanks to all of our sponsors, our on-site vendors, Superstition Hobbies, Zap, House of Balsa, have all your power RC down there, all kinds of connectors. 3D Aero Ventures, Erica Dodd's got some really great aircraft down there and accessories that are all 3D printed, some really cool stuff. And hope you enjoyed your day out here. We're going to keep flying all day, so if you like flying,
hey, when you're done with this, are you interested in a water flight? Having a charged battery. I got a set. I have 2 sets.
Silky smooth.
Josh is on his way here.
Good looking jet. Wow. It's a little bit bigger, has a little bit bigger presence in the air. Very smooth, jeez.
There's a couple flights.
Put the specs down there so we all can see it. But so far, pretty impressive jet. I looked at the foam up close. Very smooth, dense foam. Paint job looks really good on it. It's got gray paint. It's got silver along the wing, the leading edges of the wings, and the de-icing boots, and it just looks phenomenal. Again, this is the Arizona Electric Fest 2022 variety. So.
Let's go bug John. Oh, go ahead.
Nice speed
I'm gonna wait for
performance.
Coming around for a landing. You can take off if you need to.
I'm just gonna come up to the egg.
Alright. Yep, landing.
Yeah, this is the XFly. It's a brand new business jet. Nice.
Hey, Tim Dickey, we got
Very
one more
good.
person that wants a ticket, so we got the tickets, bring it back over here.
All right.
I got the change.
Wow, fantastic. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Yeah, what she got? Twin what's? Do you know?
Twin 70s.
Twin 70s. Oh,
Yep.
wow. Okay. Hey, can you pop the hatch so we can see where you're flying your battery? Because I know.
Yeah, actually, this will probably help a lot of people. So this is flying with a 6S 5000. I think it's 100 seat.
Okay.
And it's pretty much right at the edge of the board.
There you go. Wow. Very cool.
We flew it with a 7000 yesterday as well, 30C, and I recommend probably about an inch further back on that.
Yeah.
It's pretty neutral on the CG.
Yeah. What do you think of the jet thus far?
Oh, I love it. It flies like a dream. It's very well mannered on landing, as you can tell.
Oh yeah.
You know, we have a AR8360T in there, telemetry with the AS3X gyro built in.
Oh, nice.
So It's got all the bells and whistles.
It sure does. Beautiful. Great job on the sticks, too. Thanks for letting me join you out here. This is a J-65, correct?
Yes, sir.
Outstanding. All right, thank you.
Thank you.
All right, we're still doing some flying out here. This is the Arizona Electric Fest, the 2022 variety. Slightly breezy, a little chilly for the desert, but that's okay. Thanks for watching. Thank you for tuning in. Thanks for subscribing, everybody.
Yes.
Cheers, blue skies, happy landings in the Arizona Electric Fest. Cheers, everybody.